Hello people, namaste. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel. I am Girija, and today we are diving deep into the energies of your career and profession. And yes, my deep gratitude to people who have answered me like what readings you would like to have through my video. So I got couple of replies on my WhatsApp DM, and thank you so much for your support, your love, and all the feedback that I am getting personally. I am really blessed to have such a wonderful family with me. So yes, let us see what career guidance that we all are getting, because especially in this time of lockdown and all that is happening around, I am personally getting inquiries for career guidance, for job change, or for starting up new businesses or closing the existing businesses. So I am really excited to see what is showing up for your energies. So let us see what our groups are. Group number 1 will be this raw clear quartz. It's a very cold, peaceful energy. Group number 2 will be this amethyst point. And group number 3 will be this crystal, which I am not very sure what is the name of this crystal. If you know its name, please put it in the comment box. So this is group number 3. Please do remember, these are general reading. If you need any personal assistance, please do book an appointment. All the details will be in the description box below, and yes, also the timestamps. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see what is coming through. I will see you other side. Thank you. Hi there, group number 1, people those who have got attracted to this raw clear chords. Immediately before opening your cards, I haven't seen these cards yet. With this crystal, the sense that I get is maybe you are doubtful about changing your profession or your job, or there is this wishy-washy energy, you should go or you should not go, that kind of energy that I am getting. So immediately I am hearing the word, I am listening the word peace. So more the peaceful your mind and your heart is, more your heart and your brain are aligned, you will start seeing how things are unfolding right in front of you without any confusion, without any chaos. So let's see like what is coming through for you. So let us see what present energies you are holding. So at present your personal energy is this justice. I wonder, like this card comes normally in all the readings, okay? So anyway, at present I'm seeing that you are seeking some kind of reward, some kind of appraisal, or whatever work you have been putting into your profession, into your creation. I am seeing that you are waiting for some kind of reward. It could be an monetary reward, it could be and non-monetary reward, whatever it is. So just let us see like what is happening since few days. Okay, that's really nice. I am seeing that you are charged up with so much of creativity, with so much of ideas, and also action, completely action packed kind of energies that I'm seeing. And somehow I am getting the vibe that even maybe you are planning to start some business, and that business is something that you are really passionate about. You have all the ideas, you have all the tools that you need to start this business, because two of cups that is showing up, it could be a business in partnership, it could be any business or career that you are actually starting with your partner, as in your life partner, or also it could be with your best friend. That is something that is coming through very strong. And The best part about this is you both are vibing on the same frequency, so that's really very nice. And with a Queen of Wands, I'm seeing you are full in the mode of creativity, and you are really very passionate about it. And also Knight of Wands that has been showing up, that is that many ideas are boiling in and around you, and you are like action, like just waiting to take that action. And Justice card showing up in your energy, I feel that maybe you are waiting for some contracts to or agreements that needs to be done legally, or it could be anything, permission from government or authority or something like that. So you are seeking that kind of approval or some kind of license to start that business, is what I'm seeing very very strong. And next question I had asked, like if you are planning to change your entire profession, if you are planning to change your entire field, so the answer for that is coming a very big yes. Because what I'm seeing is to have this change, if you are planning to change, of course, this planning is coming since a long time, and the only thing that is pulling you back is maybe fear. And it may not be the fear of failure, but also fear of success. So I would just like to advise that be patient and sit with yourself. You can meditate on whatever is coming through for you, because I am just seeing that you are in full energy of creation, creativity. You are also ready to take the action. You have all the tools and information with you, which will help you, which will guide you to like take that plunge in this new direction. And also if you are planning to change your job, most of you in this group, you have already got the new job, is what I am listening. And if you have already got the job, you are just waiting for like appointment letter or something like that, or the basic formalities that you need to complete. And this new job is like will be boom, that kind of energy that I am seeking. And for few of you, I am listening that few days, months or years, maybe you have invested in something, and now is the time you are reaping the reward. So in coming few days, you will be seeing that that project that you had worked on, or that idea that you had, that is coming to the fruition. That's really very nice. And next I am seeing here the tribe. This is an amazing card to get, because the tribe, there is some glaze, if you can see this card, the tribe card, that tells me that you are attracting right kind of people, right kind of circumstances, right kind of situations, so that that will be more supportive towards this career, this profession that you are in, or you are planning to change, or if you are planning to start this new business. Okay. Also in upcoming, like if you are already in the existing business, or you have no plans to change your job, what I am seeing here is you are meeting right kind of people, which will be very supportive for you in your entire endeavor of your profession, of your career. That's really very nice. And also with the card that has come up as the card of guidance, it says Goddess, and express your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. So irrespective of the gender, we all have the feminine energy, which is more nurturing, which is more loving, which is more intuitive. So use this power into your career, into your profession. You might be getting intuitions with regards to do something or to not to do something. So please do trust that intuition. Please do trust that divine guidance that you are already getting. And for a few of you, I'm listening that you may be worshipping some goddess. So keep on doing that. Have that faith. And yes, that's really nice. With the goddess card, I strongly get this connect with the Mother Earth, and Mother Earth, we associate Mother Earth with material gains. So I am just seeing that new things are opening up for you, and you are already very clear about what you want through your career, through your profession, and you are already receiving that. So yes, this is all I have for you, group number one. It was such amazing energy, and yes, wish you all the very best, and do let me know what is happening, how this is resonating with you. Please give me a thumbs up if you are resonating with this, and also do comment, like, share, subscribe, and God bless you. Thank you. Hi there, group number two, people, those who have chose this amethyst point. With this, uh, by holding this amethyst in my hand, I just feel that something is opening up for you, something is opening up for you. So that's really nice. I am seeing beautiful lights like firecrackers, and there is some celebration or something really happening that is coming up for you. Let's see what cards are saying. I haven't yet opened the cards, but this is giving me that fire. Crackers kind of feeling, so that's really nice. Let's see what's coming up. So presently I'm checking what is your present energy when it comes to your career, your profession, your job, business, whatever. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. I was just seeing these golden freckles inside these amethyst point. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm just seeing that, and also if you can see this flower over here, like such an amazing synchronicity that we can see. And I'm just seeing that you are ready, and you are like, you are back with the bang is what I am seeing. And now there is no looking back. By this card I just feel that you are coming from a very darker side when it has come up to career and profession. You have struggled a lot, you have, you know, tried and tested a lot, many things. For few of you I'm seeing this, there were like many trial and errors that you have been through, and you are just rising up out from the ashes. So maybe you might have experienced that. Some of you might have left the job, or you were compelled to shut down your business. Like I personally can very much relate to the feeling when you have to close, you have to shut down your business, because I have been through the same process. uh, but now I am just seeing you are back with the bang. You are so much in the alignment of your own self, and I'm really happy to see this sun card for you. It's so nice. So let's see like what other details we are getting. Beautiful cards, guys. That is so nice. First of all, I am seeing this King of Wands. King of Wands is again the fire sign, and many of you might be Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries. Aries, yeah. I'm not very sure about the astrological signs, but again, if you can see the lion over here in the background, I am just seeing that this particular group is very ferocious kind of thing, and lot of time you might have spent in being fearful or doubting yourself, or doubting or blaming the circumstances. But now I am seeing, now you are in the position where you are saying enough is enough. I'm going to follow my heart, I'm going to take along my brain also. And you are just like, the next card that I'm seeing is the Empress card, and Empress card is a very very positive card to have. It is full of creativity, full of prosperity, abundance, and all those things. And followed by Three of Wands, I'm seeing that you have invested a lot, and now you are just waiting for your ships to come in. So if you are waiting that some change is expected in your career, in your job, so that is just around the corner, that is happening for you. and if you are not pretty sure about what it is, so you can actually look into it and you can gain more clarity. I am seeing this group, you are leading something. Maybe you are a group leader, you are a manager, or you might be in a very higher authority. Okay. And also with business, uh, if I see like you are owning a business for a few of you, and most of you, if you are owning a business, you are a sole proprietor of this business, and you are having many creative ideas. And yes, this also could involve, like, few of you I'm seeing from the creative field. So there are high chances that you belong to creative field, maybe writing, maybe advertisements, social media, that kind of thing. Also copywriter, actors. Yes, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing more kind of creativity in this particular group. So yes, let's see. Like, I asked if one question that I had asked is, people who are seeking job change or profession change, career change. So the answer is yes. It will be a very celebratory kind of vibe if you are planning to change, and it is a big yes for you too. Group 1 also had similar vibes. So maybe initially I got this, that people who have chose this group, you might have got confused between group number 1 and group number 2. So if you feel guided, you can also check group number 1. So here I see that change that you are seeking into your career, into your job, and if you haven't yet, maybe you are getting some opportunity through your friends. Okay. And yes, I am actually seeing that you are the group who are actually visualizing the change that you want in your career, into your profession. And the advice card that has shown up is third eye chakra. It is safe for you to see the energy of love in all its forms, such as angels, auras, and visions. So I am seeing that. Maybe this particular group, maybe you have a vision board, maybe you are meditating on the creative visualization, and you are trying to manifest this change, this like amazing vibe into your reality by doing these techniques, by meditating. And when I am seeing this sun card or this king of wands card, I just feel that this particular group is very attracted towards exercise, taking good care of health, gymming, or having nutritious diet, that kind of lifestyle. And that kind of lifestyle really puts you into a very higher vibe. And maybe color yellow is like coming through for you as the sun card, the king of wands, and also the empress. I see if you start getting connected to the color yellow, it will boost up your energy, boost up your energy. Sorry, boost up your power too. And lastly, I'm seeing this number 9 card and treasure island. And if you can see this tortoise here, and it is carrying this beautiful container of gold, and I can see starfishes, hearts above it, and it's a treasure island. So you are very close to this island is what I am seeing. And particularly with you, I'm getting this vibe that uh, emotionally you are very attracted or very connected towards whatever your endeavor is. Maybe you are starting this a new path, new journey, and you are like emotionally very fulfilled with whatever you are doing. So that's really nice. Congratulations. Do let me know in the comment section how this reading has resonated with you. And like whatever your question is, group number 2, the answer is yes, yes, yes. So if you are asking, shall I switch my business? So answer is yes. Shall I switch my job? The answer is yes. For a few of you, okay, I'm listening that you might be also doing a job, and side by side you are also doing this freelancing thing. So like everything is booming up for you, so that's really nice. So yes, if you would like to have a personal reading, do contact. I would really be very happy to have this connect with you. God bless you, and do like, share, subscribe, comment, and yes, thank you. God bless you. Hello, group number 3. Namaste. Hope you all are well, and people, those who have got attracted to this crystal, please do let me know its name. So by holding this crystal in my hand, I just feel such a sense of calmness, such a sense of relief. So maybe this group, you are coming out of some stuck stagnant energy is what I'm listening. I haven't seen the cards yet, I have pre-shuffled them, but with this crystal I'm just getting so much of peace kind of thing. So maybe you are stuck in some energy and now you are like boom, out of it. So let's see what is coming through for your own personal energy. Yes. I'm so happy with today's reading. All 3 groups are having very different vibe, but I'm just seeing like all the groups are in such a higher vibrational zone. So with this chariot card, if you can see the chariot that is just moving, that is moving fast from one place to another. So I'm just seeing that now for you, you are coming out of certain situation. And if you can just observe, like behind this chariot is darker shade, and in front those are the lighter shades, like bright yellow color. So you are in this momentum, like maybe initially you were not getting that momentum, but now you are in the momentum with balance. So that's really very nice. Let's see what other cards are showing up. Oh, I see. So I'm seeing that you are slowly and steadily coming out of this kind of energy, which was unhealthy competition. And also, let me show you properly. 5 of Wands, which is the conflict kind of card. So maybe you have experienced unrequired politics kind of situation, mind games. Maybe you were taken for granted. There was like unethical ways where people might have treated you, and maybe you were forced into those unethical ways, unhealthy competition, that kind of thing that I'm seeing. But now you have completely like moving out of that particular energy. The death card, please do not take it as it is, but death card showing up is a complete transformation of your energy. So after this death, if you can see the words written are rebirth. So after this kind of energy, you are completely transforming and you are letting go of whatever it was. Okay, things which were not serving you, things which were not for your highest and best, you are just like completely letting go and releasing that kind of vibe with regards to your profession, with regards to your career. So maybe you were if you are owning a business, maybe like people might have deceived you, or maybe you might have not able to keep those strong boundaries for yourself and stuff like that. But now I am seeing that you are coming in an amazing blend. The Lovers card showing up, that shows me that now you are in a very better place. So with this Chariot card showing up, now you are coming into this partnership, or maybe you are coming together with your own self. So the Lovers card is the twin twin kind of energy, and I am just seeing also number 6, which the Lovers card is number 6, and 6 number is the number of peace, harmony, love, that kind of situation. So you have like recently you have thrown away all the energies which were unnecessary, which were like burdensome, and now you are coming more into uh, more calmer waters, peaceful waters. And if you're asking the question like if you have to change the job, career, profession, whatever, so for you also the answer is yes. And I'm just getting the vibe that you already know what changes you have to make, what change of career, what change of profession you have to make, what change of job you have to make. So just go for it, and whatever you will be doing now, that will be giving you more peace, emotional stability, financial stability, because here is the number 4. 4 number is for stability, and 4 of wands is a very happy, higher vibrational kind of energy. And also this would help you as well as your family to be in a better place when it is coming with regards to your career and profession. And also the this card number 49, which says observer. I'm seeing that you are kind of a person who observes, and you learn your lessons by observing people. Yes. And workshops and seminars, attending and giving speeches is part of your spiritual path and purpose. Be open to teaching and learning. So maybe I'm seeing that you are in a position where you have to present something. For few of you, I'm seeing that you may be in the teaching profession. uh, Maybe some of you are planning to start some coaching for others, and it's a wonderful thing. Like if you want to share your knowledge, share your skills with others, that's really very nice. And also I am listening YouTube, so for few of you, if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, it's a big yes for you. So I am just seeing like you are coming out of certain like guck of energy, and now you are in a like full uh, like back with the bank, that kind of situation. And also upgrading your skills. For a few of you, I am listening, in order to change this job, in order to pursue this business, maybe you have to upgrade your skills, maybe you are learning new skills. So continue doing that, that's really very nice. And what else? Let me check if I'm getting on this. Observer means also like learning things is what I'm getting. And you have already learned so much with the experiences. Now is the time to brush up your skills. For few of you, I am seeing that very strongly. You want to pursue some kind of hobby, some kind of art. So just go for it. That's really like that will give boost for your energy. And I'm also listening eat well. So if you are kind of not eating well, please do eat well, that is what I'm listening. And yes, this is all I have for you, group number 3. Hope you resonated with this reading. And okay, I'm listening films. So do you like watching films? Please do comment in the comment section. I would like to know, because suddenly I am listening films. Maybe you are planning to make a film, to direct, to produce, whatever. It is something with regards to films. So maybe a YouTube, starting a YouTube channel, that came through. And yes, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Have an amazing time. Take good care of your health. And if you need any personal assistance, please do get in touch, contact me. All the details are in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here, and God bless you. Namaste.